Hello everyone, it's Nutandeep and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share you something different. Like if you are trying to practice to enhance your speaking skills, definitely you need to do lots of speaking practice. This is the fact. But I just want to tell you that if you are doing practicing to enhance your speaking skills and you are not finding out the exact content, then what should it be? How will you gather it? How will you fetch it into your mind? How will you boost your confidence while trying to speak in English? Because when it comes to talk in English, definitely, who is a beginner, definitely get hesitated, definitely take pauses and have a fear of making mistakes. So he will not able to talk in English. He will definitely get stuck. So here I wanna say that if you want to have that hold onto this language, if you wanna have a grab on English language, then definitely you need to take small challenges, on daily basis. Like talk only for 1 minute, but the condition is you need to talk in English, and this is the fact. If you are doing like this, doing like these type of practicing, you are definitely going to do excel. And if I talk about the content, the topic, what should it be? I think you should talk is about others, or you can also talk about yourself. Not daily routine. Sometimes it seems not that interesting. So how do you manage that? What should you do while practicing? What should be the content? So I think you should talk about yourself. What are the difficulties you are facing and what you need to confront when you try to speak in English? So these type of thing you can share, you can speak of while having a conversation with yourself, because you need to do lots of practicing and try to speak in English. Whatever the situation is, come what may, I need to speak in English at least for 1 minute. You can make some time for yourself, or and you need to manage your time if you want to hold on to this language. It is quite necessary here if you want to do something in your life, and this is needed here, much needed here. So you can talk about good things about yourself, like what you like and what you don't like, what you admire, what you praise of something or not. These type of things you can add up here in your conversation. So this will, that's how you can have a hold onto this language. You can carry with this conversation. If you want to retain your conversation at least for 2 to 5 minutes, then definitely you need to add up something different so that you could find yourself more comfortable. So try this out, it's not that difficult. And firstly and the foremost thing is your interest, your willingness. If you are not being able to speak up English, that's completely okay. But if you are not making practicing, if you are not making time for yourself and you are making excuses to escape from it, you are invading from it, then definitely nothing going to be done and no one can help you out. Other thing, like practicing, you need to do it by yourself. If you can't do it by yourself, if you are not plunged into in that, then definitely you will lose all your hope, all your confidence. You know what, while practicing sometimes it feels like lacking confidence, lacking vocab. So it's not a big deal. The thing that is important here is your interest, is your consistency. Are you having the perseverance in your mind, in your heart, that you need to talk, you need to just speak in English anyhow, at any cost? Do you feel like that or not? So this is very required here, and you want to acquire this language, and you want to acquire the hold onto this language, then definitely you will make your mind that I'm to do it, and whatever the situation is, I'm to follow all the things. Apart from this, you can also talk about your weakness. What are your weakness? What are your difficulties when you trying to speak in English? You can talk about it. It's okay, you are taking some time for speaking and you are taking pauses, then definitely completely okay. You need to just keep on doing it, and for this you need to put lots of efforts into it. So try to do this and have some patience. Also believe in yourself. If you are not believing in yourself, and you are every time doubting yourself that you will definitely make mistakes, you will definitely get stumble, then definitely here I want to say that you are not going to do it. You are not going to hit that goal. Okay, so believe in yourself and feel like no one is listening me, no one is watching me. I'm just talking and talking, and it doesn't concern to anyone if I make mistakes. Feel like that. This will going to help you a lot. So hope you like this video, and for today I'll take your leave. Thank you.